Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my simple skincare routine. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know I like to keep it super simple. I hardly have like 4 steps or so, and I make sure that I do this consistently. I always make sure that I keep the products very simple and clean because I have very sensitive skin, and I also have pimple prone skin. I have combination skin. It used to be super oily and then it slowly drifted and changed to combination skin. So I do get pimples during periods especially, or when I travel and it gets super oily. You will see like marks left, and apart from that, yeah, it's combination skin, so I have like oily T-zone and all that, and also get dry patches during seasonal changes. So to keep all this covered, I make sure that I have like a simple skincare routine. So I hope this is going to be useful for you guys as well. And it's been super chilly, and of course that means that you have like dry skin, like and also I've traveled a little bit. I went to the village and then I went to Chirala beach, so I still have a little bit tan. So all I've been using for scrubbing is the basin with water. So Senagapindi is what I've been using, so I've just scrubbed my face with that most of the time. Like for 2 scrubs my tan went off a little bit. I still have some tan. So of course we'll start with like fresh skin. So this is what I've been using for my face wash. Because I have like combination skin and I get dry patches, I make sure that I use some face wash which doesn't dry out my skin, but at the same time it doesn't get too oily too. So this is the Minimalist face wash. It has salicylic acid, so because I have pimple prone skin, I've been using this and it doesn't dry out my skin, especially in the winter. It hasn't been drying out my skin. And it's quite affordable as well, so this is what I've been using. I just start off with this. I wash my face and I use this. So I do my skincare routine right after I get out of the shower, and I just make sure to use some lip balm in the night, a lip mask or a lip balm. Once I wash my face, I go ahead and use my toner. So I've been using the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. So this is something that I've been using for the longest time. As you can see, the bottle is almost gone. So I've been using this for a year now, I think. So I've reviewed this, I've spoken about it quite a bit even on my Instagram stories. So it's very lightweight and it is super easy to use. It has this watery texture. So because I tend to get oily, I don't like having too much product on my face, so I really prefer lightweight products, and this has like that watery texture, so I really like this. So all you have to do is take it and dab it on your skin, and that's the essence. So after this step, I move on to a serum. So I've been using the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Thailam. So I keep shuffling. Sometimes I use the L'Oreal HA serum, that's the hyaluronic acid serum. When my skin feels dry, I use that. I couldn't find it today, so this is also something that I've been trying out, because this one's like an oil and not a serum. It does get a little too much at times, so I keep shuffling. This is pretty good. You wake up with like nourished and glowy skin. I quite like this as well. And then moving on to the moisturizer, this is a new launch. This is the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream. Again, like I mentioned, I hate having sticky products, so this is the gel based cream. So I really like this as well. And look at the packaging, it looks so luxurious, and this is what it looks like. Just look at the texture. It is so fresh. It smells so good, and it's very lightweight and it has the gel texture. So I quite like that about this product. So I've been quite excited about this launch because this has salicylic acid, and it's really good for like combination to oily skin.
I also haven't heard of any major salicylic acid based creams in the market.
So salicylic acid is an active, and it has the ability to exfoliate the top layer of the skin, and it also helps purify pores and removes dead skin cells. Then the crystal gel cream penetrates up to 10 layers deep, and it controls oil up to 8 hours. It also deeply refines and purifies pores. It is water-based, oil-free formula, so it locks in that moisture without building up on excess oil, and because oil buildup will eventually lead to breakouts, right? So it's very lightweight and comfortable on the skin, and even though it's gel based formula, you don't need a lot of it. You can just dab in and take a little bit and apply it all over your face and neck. You don't even need a lot of it. So this is really nice, and it's paraben free and it colorant free, and it doesn't have any synthetic dyes, and it is non-comedogenic as well, and it's also clinically and dermatologically tested as well. And this gel cream is actually a new launch, and it's available in two sizes. 15 ml one is for 299 rupees and the 50 ml one is 699 rupees. The smaller size is actually pretty affordable. You could try it out and see how it works out for you. So that's really good when they have like smaller sizes. I quite like that. So that has been what I've been doing, and then I just put on some lip balm or lip mask and then go to bed, and you wake up with your fresh looking skin. So that's the simple skincare routine that I've been following. I hope this helps. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Do let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to watch related to skincare and beauty. And I was thinking I'll do something for the wedding season, bridal skincare and makeup. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to watch, and do subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel as well. I have new videos coming up every week, and I'll also leave my Instagram handle right here. And also you can shop from my brand now. It's called Priyanka Boppana Official, and there's new collection coming up every other week. So do find the link for that as well in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.